Deep in the jungle, there's a tribe that still hunts with poison. No guns, just a blowpipe and darts strong enough to take down animals in minutes. And today, we're going with them. He's taking us deep into the forest, showing us how they make the poison, and teaching us how to hunt like they do. Just us and one of the last tribes that still lives this way.
Okay, yeah guys, we're gonna go on the walk in the forest now. You're gonna show us some trees, some things, some animals, and especially the poisonous tree they use for the darts. We can catch some animals, some birds or whatever with the blow dart, but it's not easy, so I don't know, but we're gonna see.
So here I want to show you the ironwood. The ironwood is. This is the fruit, but normally they have a green color, the skin of the fruit. But this is like a hard shell inside, and after the shell, they have a nut inside. And this is the ironwood, the big one. The ironwood is good for the bridge, for the house. Yeah. Very strong wood.
Can you eat the nut also?
No.
No?
No, yeah. But animal like to eat them.
Oh, the bridge.
Yeah, the bridge. This vine here, this climbing tree. This is anti-venom, to protect from snake bite. If you found this medicine, this is very good, very useful in the forest.
And how you use it? You make a tea? Or...
Yeah, they have to cut a little bit like here. Yeah, that one. They cut a part of the plant. You can put it in the water, and when the snake bite, you can collect part of this plant. You can put a little bit in the water. You can put in the wound where the bite snake. Yeah, and also you can drink it. You can smell it.
Ah, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
This is strong smell, and we believe it like a smell from urine of snake.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Yes. That's how they found
Yeah.
out is the
Yeah.
anti-venom.
This another big leaf of the plant, and also in the forest we use like small umbrella during rain. Yeah, and this tree is softwood. They more grow on the lowland area.
Here it's for...
This is for some people local. They have a store. This is they put the rice in there. And this plant is sugar cane. Oh yeah, you can try. I can cut it for you. I find the big one. Very good taste of this sugar cane. You can plant it with this part also. You can cut about there, and then they put it. Yeah, they can survive. And another people, they different way how they, but our way is just open like this.
Animals can eat sugar cane.
Yeah, like squirrel. Yeah, they eat. Or the monkeys.
You have elephants here?
No, I'm elephant. Yeah, you can break it.
No, this one is actually really nice. Sometimes I try them, they're
Yeah.
way too sweet.
We have to cross the stream. Look here. This is one of the centipede, or they call pill millipede. This is insect just very common on the ground floor. So this is like turn like a ball when you touch them. They don't bite, but yeah, I touch them. Yeah, woo. Yeah, this is pill millipede. Yeah. When you put them on the floor back, and then a few minutes they can open it, then they can walk.
You see it like this, you could maybe think it's a fruit.
Yeah, the fruit. In the jungle or in the forest, we have a lot of type of fruit. They call wild apple. just a very sour fruit, but we still can eat them. Like this is the ripe one. You see the color here? You can try this. It's very thick. You can bite them too, yeah, but very sour. You can see the seed in there. Yeah, you can try if you want. Yeah, everyone can try it.
So I eat this one, not the.
Same, but most of people they eat the seed.
So it's like wild apple. Got a really sour one. It's green and sour, but nice, not too sour like the things in Philippines, man.
Nice.
Tastes green and sour.
Yeah,
Oh, ooh.
jungle apple. Maybe I try that wine, big one. That is type of we can drink water. I can put this here. Anyone need to try? This edible like drinking water from the vine, but not all wine you can drink.
Okay. Yeah, clean, fresh water. A little bit like green water, but really fresh.
You can find some of this wine, but not all wine you can drink water. Be careful in the forest.
Some.
Yeah.
Wow. We are basically in the middle of Borneo, and Borneo is just a huge rainforest. And the blowpipe,
Yeah.
you use a branch.
Yeah, yeah. We normally we collect if we cut the trees, if they don't have like a buttress, the buttress is that big root, the flat one. Yeah, they collect from the root, also the buttress, or they collect from the real tree like this. Yeah, they can make us pieces, and after they put the hole.
How you put the hole?
They have a metal special one, the very tiny one, depend on the size. And you can put it like a post, stop it there, and then you knock it a little bit, and then all the way down. After it get whole, they can clean it with the special like rotan. That's why you look is very smooth inside. This is come from the top, because on this branch of the trees, most of the bees like the honey, they get honey, but they hang on the branch. After they get fly away, so the hive is stuck on the trees, and after a few months, and then they fall down. This is from the bee's hive. You can see it like broken. Oh yeah. All of the hole is the bees live inside.
Can you climb the tree?
Oh, difficult. Sometimes the bear, you know the bear, the sun bear, they climb up to bite the honey. Yeah.
This probably tastes really good.
Yeah.
Don't die, bro.
Somebody put the trap here. This is the trap, and this is like they put the trap here. This is the knot here. So when the animal come here, something like that, and then when the animal here, they touch on this part, so they go like that.
For a small animal?
Yeah,
Or also deer.
No, this is small one like mouse deer or porcupine. That's why the very short one. For the deer, the bit strong one, bit long one.
Do we have like official document like the passport or ID card?
Now yes, the people now yes. But my time, we don't have that. And also they born in the forest, so they don't have registered in the clinic or something like that. Huh? All right, this is one of the trees where my people use for poison for the dart, like this. And yeah, this is or in local name they call ipo. We call it tajam. This tree useful in the jungle for poison for hunting. Yeah, this is the poison on the dart. Yeah, and we collect it from this type of trees. You see all the scars They cut it many years ago because my people in the village come and collect the poison. And what they do, they just cut a little bit about that long, and like the scars from here get here, and another scars there come to here. So they mix to put the bamboo here. So they will drip inside the bamboo. So they collect the poison, drip in the bamboo, they bring it home. So they put it in the fire. And after they cook it, they put it in the leaf, put it in the bag, like a bag, yeah? And then after they like become like a chocolate. When they need to use it, so they get few amount from the bag, and they put in under the leaf, they put little bit water, and they stir it to that, and they put little bit like that. So they stuck in this.
How fast does it kill the deer? Or does it only make it like weak and then you have to still do the rest?
Yeah, it depends. Some of the poison can hit the animal as long the poison come in the skin, and then about 1 minute or 2 minutes they can fall down. Yeah, yeah. And even human is very dangerous also, because they come to stop our heart.
Not every hunt brings a catch. Sometimes the journey is enough. But if you're lucky, the jungle also provides.
Hunting in the jungle.
Next time, we are hunting at night. Watch now.